Hello everyone, welcome back to Library Exam Hub. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about public libraries, one of the most important topics in library information science. Questions from these topics are frequently asked in IGNOU, BLIS, MLIS examination, and also UGC NET, ABS, NVS, EMRS, DSSSB, and various Indian recruitment examinations. In this lecture, we will understand the meaning, definition, objective, characteristics, functions, services, public library system in India, Raja Rammohun Roy Library Foundation, Public Library Acts, and important previous question paper. So let's begin our discussion on public library. First, let's understand what a public library is. A public library is a library that is established and maintained by government, local authority, and public institutions to provide free access to information, education, culture, and recreation for all members of society. Unlike academic libraries, which mainly serve students and teachers, public libraries are open to everyone. Everyone, regardless of age, religion, caste, gender, occupation, or economic background, can become a member and use its services. Public libraries promote the principle of equal access to knowledge. They support lifelong learning, help improve literacy, provide reliable information, and encourage reading habits. For this reason, public libraries are often called the people's university, as they provide educational opportunity throughout life. Exam tip that a public library is open to all and provide free services. Now let's look at some important definitions. According to UNESCO, public library manifesto, a public library the legal gateway to knowledge, providing lifelong learning opportunities and helping individuals make informed decisions. The IFLA, International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions, defines a public library as an institution that provides free access to information, knowledge, culture, and education for every member of society. These definitions emphasize that public libraries are democratic institutions serving all citizens equally. Example, questions about UNESCO and IFLA definitions are frequently asked in examinations. Main objective of public library is to improve the quality of life in the community. Public libraries promote literacy by helping people develop reading and writing skills. They encourage lifelong learning by providing educational resources for people of all ages. Another important objective to preserve local culture and heritage by collecting books, newspapers, manuscripts, and historical documents. Public libraries are bridge the digital divide by providing internet facility, digital resources, and computer access to people who may not have these facilities at home. They promote equality by ensuring that everyone has access to information regardless of social or economical status. Now understand the important characteristics of public library. The first characteristic of public library is that they are open to everyone. Secondly, their services are provided free of cost or at a very nominal member fee. Public libraries are usually funded by government or local authorities or public organizations. They are democratic institutions because they provide equal opportunity for learning and access to information. They also function as a cultural educational center. where people can attend exhibitions, seminars, reading programs, community events. These characteristics make public libraries unique among all types of libraries. Public libraries perform many important functions. Their educational functions support students, teachers, and self-learners by providing books, study materials. The information, the informational function provides accurate and reliable information to help people solve everyday problems. The cultural function preserves local history, tradition, and literature and heritage. The recreational function provides newspaper, magazine, novels, comics, and other leisure reading materials. Finally, the, so- the social function makes the uh, public library a meeting place where people participate in educational programs, awareness campaigns, and community activities. Thus, a public library contributes to the educational culture and social development of the society. Public libraries provide a wide range of services. Lending services allow users to borrow books for home reading. Reference services help users to locate accurate information using encyclopedia, dictionaries, and other reference services. The reading room provides a peaceful environment for studying. Many public libraries now offer internet services and digital resources. Especially special services include children's library, career guidance program, local information services, newspaper reading section, book exhibitions, and storytelling sessions. These services help people of different age groups and educational backgrounds. Public library maintain a balanced collection to satisfy the needs of all users. The collection includes textbooks, ge- general books, fiction, non-fiction, children books, newspaper, magazines, journals, reference books, government publications, maps, audio, visual materials, CDs, DVDs, ebooks, and digital resources. Many libraries also maintain local history collections that preserve the heritage of their communities. The objective is to provide information, education, and entertainment to a wide variety of users. This includes school students, college students, teachers, researchers, job aspirants, farmers, business people, senior citizens, women, children, and the general public. Each user has different information needs, and the library provides suitable resources and services accordingly. This is why public libraries are called community information centers. National level, the Raja Rammohun Roy Library Foundation RRRLF supports library development across the country. Each state has state level central library and district central library serves district level users. Branch libraries provide services at the local level. Finally, village libraries ensure access to information in rural areas. This hierarchical system ensures that library services reach every section of the society. Raja Rammohun Roy Library Foundation, popularly known as RRRLF, is one of the most important organizations for public library development in India. It was established in 1972 and is headquartered in Kolkata under the Ministry of Culture and Government of India. Its major functions include provide financial assistance to public libraries, supporting moderniza- modernization projects, promoting reading habits, organizing training programs for libraries, encouraging library development throughout the country. Example: remember 1972 Kolkata Ministry of Culture. The facts are frequently asked in librarian recruitment examinations. These library acts provide legal support for establishing and managing public libraries. Different states have enacted their own public library acts. The Madras Public Library Act of 1948 is recognized as the first public library act in India. Other states such as Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal also have their own public library acts. This acts ensures proper funding, management, and development of public libraries. Public libraries plays a important role in building a informed and educated society. They support literacy, lifelong learning, digital inclusion, social equality, skill development, and community empowerment. They provide access to reliable information, helping people make informed decisions in education, employment, health, and daily life. Because of these contributions, public libraries are considered essential institutions for democratic societies. Now, let us compare public libraries with academic libraries. Public libraries are open to everyone, whereas academic libraries mainly serve students, teachers, and researchers of educational institutions. Public libraries focus on general information and community needs, while academic libraries support curriculum and research. Public libraries promote lifelong learning, whereas academic libraries primarily support formal education. Understanding these differences is very important for coming examination. The important examination question: which organization is responsible for promoting and developing public libraries in India? A. IFLA. B. DENU. C. Raja Rammohun Roy Foundation. D. AICTE. Take a few seconds to think. The answer is option Raja Rammohun Roy Library Foundation. This is one of the most frequently asked questions in the library science computer examination. Today, we learned about the public libraries, including their meaning, definition, objective, characteristics, functions, services, collections, uses, the public library system in India, Raja Rammohun Roy Library Foundation, Public Library Act, and important examination questions. I hope this lecture has made the concept clear and useful for your exam preparation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this lecture helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Library Exam Hub. Also, press bell icon to receive notification about our upcoming library science lecture. In our next video, we will discuss another important topic of library. Until then, keep learning, keep preparing, and stay motivated. Library Exam Hub, learn, prepare, succeed.